I call it a squish burger.
A squish burger. It sounds so fun.
So there's salt.
Salt and an egg, a little pepper.
Bit of pepper. I like it really salty and really peppery. Bit of rosemary.
Yum.
Garlic.
Oh, you are right up the alley of so many people in this room.
Bit of chili powder.
Oh, and chili
a bunch
powder
of
too.
onions.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Some chopped onions.
Yeah.
Awesome. And then you just
Really
get in there.
yeah. What's your favorite thing to cook?
I don't really have faves when it comes to food. I will eat anything. Like when I was a kid who'd eat worms or dirt for $1, you know, on a dare. But my husband's favorite is carbonara, so we make a lot of pastas and carbonara.
Fresh pasta, I love that.
Hey, this is the first recipe you are doing on daytime TV.
Yes.
Like we're here for that, all of us together. But do you remember the first recipe you posted?
I think it was the steak quesadilla. Yeah. I love cooking steak, so I think that was my first one.
And that is that's one of those things where you for sure are going to get so many likes, right?
Yeah.
Because that's right up everybody's alley. It's cheese and steak, please.
Exactly.
Please,
Yeah.
right? There's a great Craig Ferguson story about he was hanging out with Mick Jagger, and Mick Jagger ordered a quesadilla, and he tells the funniest story. He said, "Can you send up a couple of quesadillas?" And the first time we met him, he said to Mick Jagger, "Oh, you're adorable." He was so little. And I'm like, oh, God, how embarrassing. Have you had any epic fails yet? Has everything that you make come out the way you wanted? And do you like cooking for your mom and dad?
I love cooking for my mum and dad. I cook for my friends, I cook for my fiance, my mum and dad, my brothers, my sister. I cook for everyone.
Well, that's great.
Yeah, no, I love it.
No epic fails yet.
Not yet.
I don't really look at food as fails. Even the fails I try and do something with.
I mean, as long as it tastes good.
Yeah, who cares?
You know?
Who cares?
That's kind of what I do.
And what about your fiance? Now, do you let her sous chef, or is she more of on dish duty?
She doesn't cook.
At all. Oh, she's gorgeous. Look, there's a sweet picture. Aw. Where were you guys?
I think we were in LA, in Los Angeles, where we live, actually. Yeah.
I love that. I love that time of day. That twilight time is so beautiful. Oh, sorry. So you turned them into a ball. Did you chill them, or you just squish them right away?
I chilled them a little bit.
Chill them a little bit.
Squish them, yeah.
Let the flavors combine, and then you give them a good squish.
Yep. Can't turn that.
They smell incredible.
I love blue cheese. I love cheese and wine. That's my favorite.
Oh, that's it. I know.
That's like my...
I literally lived on that for months when I had like a one-room part with no kitchen years ago. I think there was a piece of bread and tomato involved at some point, but it was mostly cheese and wine.
Oh, my God. It smells so good.
It smells so good. It's like distracting. It's hard to keep talking sometimes when your food smells great.
Yeah,
you're like,
no, exactly.
Wait, I'm supposed to be saying something right now. And toasted brioche? Oh, God, they're glorious. Oh, dude.
Nice.
You're going to have a long, happy career. He's going to get a lot of extra likes today, I tell you that. Dang. Shall we?
Yes.
Burger cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.